A good doctor knows what's wrong with you as soon as you enter his office just by looking at your face. Believe it or not, many health conditions are famous for developing symptoms that can easily be recognized and identified on your skin and your face. Liver problems, kidney failure, heart disease, diabetes, and others. And actually, knowing how to recognize them could actually save your life. So in today's video, I'm going to reveal 6 signs and symptoms you should be watching out for on your face and how to reverse them naturally and effectively. Hey guys, Dr. Gus here, naturopath, acupuncturist, conventional doctor, and founder of drlandívar.com. In this channel as a conventional doctor, I treat my patients through natural medicine before recurring to the use of pharmaceutical drugs. So if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing and press that bell down below to receive notifications and be the first one to watch a new video. If you need all important quality supplements for your disease, visit drlandívar.com and stay till the end of this video. I'm going to share the tips and video links related to this topic. You won't believe how many health conditions can be identified just by looking into someone's face. Our skin and our face can be a true revealer of our health, and not many people know this. Lupus, liver problems, renal failure can all be seen on our faces. Good doctors know this, and they use these signs to diagnose some of the most dangerous conditions you could have at any point in your life. Some of these signs you might find attractive, and some not so much. The matter of fact is that you know how to recognize it before it's too late. So in today's video, I'll reveal 6 signs and symptoms that might appear and you should be watching out for on your face and how to reverse them naturally and effectively. Number 1, puffy eyes can indicate kidney failure. You know how sometimes we wake up in the morning and we see puffy eyes appear on our face? Well, you should know that this could sometimes mean that there's kidney trouble or kidney failure. You see, when water retention happens, liquids usually accumulate in areas of the body where it's easier for it to do so. The area under our eyes is perfect for this to happen. What usually happens is that kidney damage may allow blood protein to be excreted out of our bodies and then retain all that water that should be actually filtered out. This exactly is what accelerates the water retention that you might be having, and you might not be able to notice it, but you can see it as a form of urine and protein being excreted when you go to the bathroom. Puffy eyes could be an early sign of kidney damage, and if you have it at any point in your life, I suggest you look for some help. Look for a doctor. Check and see if you don't have any problems with your kidneys. It's best to be able to recognize this before anything more serious can happen with your kidneys. Now, if you see this symptom, you can also go ahead and try to juice on parsley and horsetail. Excellent for kidney function and repair. Now, if you need something natural that you can take to improve kidney function and do a simple kidney cleanse, try to look for Uri Essence and D-Berry from Fineland at drlandívar.com. Number 2, a butterfly rash. A malar rash, also known as a butterfly rash, is a common facial presentation of multiple disorders. Some people might find it cute because it gives that person a certain touch of youthfulness and color on their skin, but it's not so good as it seems. You see, lupus is one of those health conditions characterized by a butterfly rash on our faces. Lupus is a chronic, long-term disease that can cause inflammation in our entire body and cause pain while doing so. It's an autoimmune disease that can seriously cripple certain organs in your body, including your kidneys, your joints, and more. Not something you should be waiting for. What it basically does is attack your organs if you are not careful. Other causes of malar rashes can be allergies, liver problems, and others. So it's also not a good idea to keep yourself waiting or, wait to see a doctor. If you need something effective that can help you against lupus, look for Metathyroid, Curcu Health, and myo-inositol from Fineland at drlandívar.com. Number 3, melasma and hyperpigmentation. What does melasma really mean? And is it just something you can have by exposure to the sun? Well, the answer to this question is a little complicated. Melasma and hyperpigmentation on the skin is quite common, and as I mentioned before, can be caused by the darkening of areas on our skin to sun exposure. But in many occasions, it's the result of liver problems, thyroid sluggishness, hormone imbalances, and more. You might have noticed that hyperpigmentation tends to appear more often in menopause or during menopause. Women see it more often on their faces than men do. because there are hormonal changes tied to it. Melasma is also seen more often in individuals with low thyroid activity and poor liver function. Now, this means that what we need to do in order to fix this is and are several things: boosting liver function, liver health, which is basically what you need to do. And if you're going through menopause, try to take something that can help you regulate hormone imbalances. Also very helpful. What I suggest you do is take supplements for each and every one of these conditions. Those help a lot. If you need something natural to improve liver function, look for bright caps and thistle essence from Fineland. If you need something for your thyroid, look for metathyroid, and for your menopause, look for Menofem from Fineland at drlandívar.com. Number 4, yellow spots on your eyelids. You might have seen yellow bumps on or around your upper or lower eyelids. This is called xanthelasmata. Believe it or not, it's a weird word, but these yellow spots are made of cholesterol and obviously can indicate that you have a high cholesterol in your system. Now, what they mean is that basically what you need to do is go on a diet. Start eating less fat, start exercising more, make sure that your liver starts working, and this obviously is a risk factor for heart attacks, heart disease, high blood pressure, etc. These yellow spots are a sign of high cholesterol accumulation. They usually mean that you have a very bad metabolic rate of cholesterol and that you need to change your diet, you need to exercise, and you need to make sure that your cholesterol gets lower than what you have it. If you need something natural for this purpose, look for Heart Excel and On Cardio from Fineland at drlandívar.com. Number 5, yellow eyes and yellow skin. This is known as jaundice. Doctors tend to see it a lot when there is liver problems. You see, jaundice happens when there is too much of a waste product made by your body, usually bilirubin, and bilirubin is a byproduct of a natural breakdown of red blood cells. In babies, it's usually harmless because their livers aren't mature enough to work the way they should. It gets better. In adults, jaundice can mean a more serious condition. Viral infections, hepatitis, mononucleosis, problems with your liver, your gallbladder, your pancreas, alcohol abuse maybe. So you should get yourself checked before it's too late. If you need something natural that can help you improve liver function and improve jaundice at the same time, or inflammation in the liver, look for Thistle Essence and Curcu Health from Fineland at drlandívar.com. And help out the channel by giving us a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. If you have any questions, leave your comments down below and I'll be happy to assist you. If you need quality supplements for your disease or align an appointment, visit drlandívar.com and check out these other videos to stop inflammation that might prevent a serious health condition in the future. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you soon.